are you booking?
Wait! Let me explain.
Location.
First of all, the original hotel was right beside it. Okay?
No.
It was.
That
was
was
far.
Okay, no fight. Okay, fighting.
You still owe me $4.
No fighting, please. She's crying. Oh, Bebe, don't cry.
And then what happened next?
Ulit.
Hirap na mag-explain.
Yeah, so nandun na kami sa hotel, kami ni Miko, we were looking for our room. Room 621. What? Tapos naman ah. Tapos naman na room 336. So it's 621 and then we were looking for our room. Tapos wala siya. Parang yun lang yung walang room.
Yes.
So naghahanap kami.
Pero sa amin ni Shi,
Meron.
meron room 336. So,
Pero hindi
nandun.
nag-work.
Pero ganun kami ng ganun, no? Bebe, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working.
Yeah, and then...
Na-realize
Another
namin
question
lahat.
is this.
Na-realize namin lahat mahali yung hotel. Ang dami namin pinamili. Nakaganon kami lahat o lumipat.
Buti walang room.
We called Mami Jo pa.
Oh yeah, we called our
Miss
manager.
MQ.
We called our mother, Miss MQ, and then we said, Mother, we're lost kasi medyo nagpapanik na ako deep inside. Yung pala, she said, just go to blah blah hotel. Tapos paglingon namin, andun lang.
Oh, see, it's near.
We just panic and it's organic.
Yes, we're just human beings.
We're just human. It's normal.
normal. So, ang moral, ang nakuha nating story doon,
It's okay to panic.
yes,
It's organic. That's the moral lesson. So,
Okay.
but,
out of my head yun.
wala tayo sa control.
So what do you feel, Mix? What do you feel?
Okay lang,
that
hindi pa ako
moment?
I already said
Ako nagbayad.
sorry.
Hindi pa ako nagbayad sa kanya.
Alam nyo, a lot of you guys haven't paid me yet. Not just this Uber.
I paid now.
Okay, let's get back on track.
Okay, don't fight.
Yes, okay, that's valid.
But Big D, do you feel what I feel?
You know, you're being so close to each other and being in this room. There's so much I want to say.
She's creepy. She's scaring me.